Hello
Hello
guys,
guys!
welcome to our journey to explore the educational system in Philippines.
A country rich in culture, history, and unique challenges.
The Philippines educational system has shaped the future of younger generation and played an important role in transforming in society.
Let's explore together the characteristics of education in the Philippines, especially in mathematics learning, and what we can adapt to Indonesian education.
Uh, let's go.
Let's go!
95.1% Filipinos have received education up to senior high school level among the best in Asia. Based on the report by the United States, the Philippines has the highest literacy rate at 97.25% among South Asian countries, such as Singapore, Thailand, and Indonesia. Literacy rate is 98.9% among females and 97% among males aged 15 up to 20.
The education system in Philippines starts with pre-primary education with various programs for age 3 until 6 years. Then 6 to 7 years of basic education, continuing on to 4 years of secondary education, where each year of the material focuses on a particular theme or content. And in the final of secondary education, each school holds an exam to enter higher education. After completing secondary education, students can continue their education in the technical or vocational education for 2 or 3 years, or higher education with university.
Then, what are the characteristics of education in Philippines? So, let's take the background of this.
The characteristic number 1 is teachers in Philippines are very accommodating, friendly, nurturing, educate in elegant ways, and are caring. The instructors here will not require you to have high grades, just showing a serious attitude towards learning and active in participation of group discussion will guarantee that you pass the course. A student's attitude will greatly influence high grades. No matter how clever the student is, if he does not have good behavior, he won't get any credit.
The Philippines is the third of largest country in the world where English is the second language. A test of English as a foreign language or TOEFL with a minimum score of 520 is required to enter every university in the Philippines. University administer language proficiency tests. English for prospective students. If you are declared to have passed, then you don't need to take English subject at the start of the study period.
The characteristic number 3, Philippine students in general are typical young people who are disciplined about the rules. For example, we can find any of these students smoking on campus, even though the student is an active smoker.
The education in the Philippines does not emphasize ability in the exact subject like mathematics, physics, and chemistry. And universities in this country are not oriented by ranking or grades, but rather to developing a frame of mind to create innovation, creativity of students, and development of intelligence. So, let's get to know the mathematics learning in the Philippines. The structure of mathematics learning in Philippines usually follows the national curriculum combined by the Department of Education. The Philippine education system follows the T20 model, which is divided into 3 levels: lower elementary mathematics, upper elementary mathematics, and high school mathematics. The following is a further explanation of the structure of mathematics learning at each of these levels.
Lower elementary mathematics starts from kindergarten to grade 3. At this level, students are introduced to basic mathematical concepts such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. They also learn about whole numbers, simple fraction, basic measurements, and basic geometry, and simple patterns.
Upper elementary mathematics start from grade 4 to 6. At this level, students begin to deepen their understanding about basic mathematical concepts. They study topics such as simple algebra, basic trigonometry, advanced geometry, simple statistics, and comparison.
High school mathematics. This is a more advanced level where students explore mathematics in greater depth. They study advanced algebra, Euclidean and non-Euclidean geometry, calculus, advanced trigonometry, and statistics and probability. The structure of mathematics education in the Philippines at these 3 levels aims to provide students with a deep and comprehensive understanding of mathematics. It also prepares them for a variety of future educational and career opportunities.
So, what we can take from the educational structure curriculum in Philippines for us to implement in Indonesia is harmonious relationship between the teacher and students. So, as to create comfortable learning environment. Learning in this country also adheres to the principle that learning is learning, not studying, which means that the most important thing in the learning not just knowing the material, but how students can really understand the meaning of the learning. So what is assessed is how serious the student in learning and being active in class. Therefore, the final result that is assessed is not high grade, but how to develop students' way of thinking and creative innovation through their behavior.